Hey guys, welcome back to my page. Thank you guys for coming. I wanted to quickly record a video for you guys, mainly showing you all of my small leather goods. I feel like small leather goods is like not talked about often. So I wanted to show you guys some things that I bought myself around this time. I did not grab one of the items, but it's okay. So let's get started. Start from the smallest item, and I'm gonna, of course, you guys know I gotta give you like a little backstory or whatever. So maybe like in 2018, I believe, when you became and renewed your rouge, they gave us like a little pouch and they gave us a card holder. I loved that card holder until I ended up in Houston last year. I saw like one in YSL and I bought it, and that's the one that I left out there in my purse. It is a black card holder with YSL in gold. And guys, like, I don't know what is happening. I used to be such a big bag girl, tote bags, handbags. Now I am like small little clutches and just other little casual bags because I don't like carrying a lot of stuff with me. So the first two items, because yes guys, I bought two, I'm gonna show you our two card holders, both from YSL. I got this one first, and guys, look at the cute little dust bag that it comes in, and you get that. And I bought this the white one that I bought to match my white YSL bag that I've yet to carry. So I have a black one for my black bag, and I mean, I wasn't going to get into the whole hoopla of like matching one to every bag, but I also just like it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at Dakita Shanae, I had a moment of like, I don't even want to call it addiction, but I wanted this YSL bag so bad. It looks just like my envelope flat bag, but it was in this auburn color and it was on sale, and eBay's had like a mean cash back. Oh, I wanted that bag so bad, but I resisted the urge to spend the additional money. But I did get the card holder, and this is why I wanted the bag so bad, because I had already ordered this and I love it. I cannot wait to get me like a bag to match it. That's YSL, but I did get a bag to match it. That's Tory Burch. So moving right on to the next item. While I did not spend a grip on the YSL bag, I bought this cute crossbody Tory Burch bag that matched my cute little card holder, and it has a flap back here. I'll open it for you guys. It's literally like a wallet inside. Enough room for you to fit like your cell phone, put some cards, some cash, your lipstick, and you're able to go. And this is what I'm loving. Y'all know I buy everything now according to how I want to travel, and I keep telling you guys, I love these bags for when I'm trying to travel. They are so ideal. I do not like taking a lot of things with me. I don't like taking a lot of cards with me. I take like 4 cards. One okay limit, one high limit, my bank card, and my ID. Like, that is all I leave the country with. My whole wallet I keep at home. Big bulky Michael Kors wallet for so long, and I felt like it was time for me to upgrade. So brought my first baby. I'm so excited. Well, I don't know why I'm excited, but I am. Guys, let me tell y'all. Chill. This was wrapped so pretty with some Chanel ribbon and a little flower. I wasn't going to open it, but it was so pretty. pretty. I didn't want to open it because it was pretty, but I also wanted to open it because I didn't get to see what I purchased. When I went inside the store, she had to order this for me, and she had like a smaller version, but she just kind of ordered it, and like, you know, I didn't even see it online to see like what it really looked like. I also really wanted the card holder that matched this, and I'm gonna pray on that I don't like get the urge to get the card holder, but if not, I'm gonna get it eventually. So let me show you guys my new wallet, and I felt like it was time to upgrade because, child, going into this new year, I am praying over this wallet, right? This wallet is a physical manifestation of what I hope to have inside of it. Much success and money, of course. So this is how the wallet comes. This is the dust bag. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? This is the wallet. I love this detailing. Like, this was I wanted something that was classic that I could throw in any bag, but that had like a cute young kind of, I don't know, to it. I can't even describe it. I did buy one when I was in Vegas, but it just really gave me, I don't know. I don't know. I took it back and I got this one instead. And this is the way the wallet look, and it has 12 slits in it, a little part for cash, another little folder. Like, it's folders, and to be honest, I could probably fit my cell phone in here and just carry it like a clutch or something like that. But I love it. I cannot wait to like move everything over to this. But in the meantime, I'm fitting to put this back, put it in a box, wrap it, and I will not be changing my wallet over until Christmas. Because this is indeed a Christmas gift to myself. Last but definitely not least, this is not really a leather good, but I bought a cute little handmade luxury bag from Ziva Nasir. Love her bags. I bought one a while ago, this cute elephant bag. If you guys watched my Insta story when I was in Vegas, I actually carried the elephant bag, but my strap popped, and she had such an amazing attitude, great customer service. Unlike a candle company that should go unnamed, she really like helped me out, and I was just gonna break the other side of the strap off and like carry it as a handbag, but she literally told me to ship the bag back to her and they will fix it, and I'm going to do that. I am promising. I have it in a box packed up. I will show you guys the bag, but let me show you this one. So this is how her bag comes, and at the cute card. These are some of the bags. Actually, this is the bag right here. So cute, guys. So cute. And it seems like it's a lot bigger in person than I thought it was. It looks so small. Otherwise, oh, well, never mind. It's wrapped. It's in a dust bag, but it's wrapped. It's not the cutest bag you have ever seen. It is so gorgeous. Like, this is even, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Now, I can't fit my cell phone in here, but my card holder and a lipstick will definitely go in here, and I am just loving this. Also, I find that, like, because I feel like if you're kind of dressed up, you can carry this, but I also do struggle to have like handbags when I'm in like gowns and dresses. So that's another reason why I'm trying to get into cute little sleek bags like this. I want to get this like Versace clutch that I feel like is absolutely gorgeous for events and when you're wearing a gown. But this is the bag. I am in love, guys. I am like so in love right now. Y'all don't even know. I cannot wait to carry this. It is so cute. Okay, you guys so much for watching. These are great stocking stuffers. The card holders are great stocking stuffers. You can get cheaper ones. Louis Vuitton has one. They're started at like $215. Gucci's and Christian Louboutins is around $300. Chanel is like $500. Chanel and Hermes I've seen is the most expensive, but all of them have them. You do not have to get designer ones. Like Rebecca Minkoff has one for like $100. I do not remember if like Tory Burch has one. I feel like she did. So you could definitely get a reasonable one. Guys, card holders are amazing. I know us ladies like to pack all of this stuff in a wallet, but don't sleep on card holders, especially when you want to go someplace and don't want to carry a lot of things on you, right? So thank you so much for watching. I will check you guys later. Deuces.